Good morning. In this video, I'm going to be covering our top 10 cybersecurity commands that we should know in Windows. Let's get started. The first command is ipconfig/all. This will show you your MAC address, which is the physical address on the network interface card. It will also show me my IPv6 address here. It will also show me my IPv4 address, which is 10.0.2.15 here. And it will give me the subnet mask here. Now let's get into the next one. Let me type CLS, which will clear the screen, and I'm going to use ping. This allows me to see if I have a connection to either another computer or the internet. So let's type google.com and ping, and you can see I'm able to connect to google.com, so I do have a internet connection. Let's move to the third command. Let me type CLS. The third command is tracert, and if we type tracert google.com, this allows me to see how long it took for me to connect to google.com. The max is 30 hops. It was only one hop, and you can see I was able to connect. This is the resolve address for google.com. It also gave me Google's IP address, which is 142.251.40.174. Let's move to the next one. Let me clear my screen. This is an important one. If you're looking for malware, definitely use this command. It's netstat. And we're going to add 3 parameters. The first is A, which shows me all my connections and listening ports. The next one is N, which shows me all of my addresses and ports. And the last one we're going to use here is O, which shows me all of my process IDs. And if I hit enter, you can see it's showing me all of my local address here. This is me, and foreign address which I'm connected to. So if I come down here, you can see 10.0.215 on that port is connected to this IP address on this port, and there is established connections. If I wanted to kill this connection, there is the PID to kill this connection. Again, if you are looking for malware, you will look at what these IP addresses are and where they are connected to, especially if it says established port. So you want to check that out. Let's go to the next one. Let me type CLS. And the next one we're going to go is tasklist. This will show me all of the processes that are running on this operating system. If I hit enter, you can see these are all of the processes that are running on this system. So you can see you have task list, you have all of these processes that are running. So let's say if I open Notepad, let me just go here and open Notepad. And if I open Notepad, and let me clear my screen. And if I type task list again, you can see notepad.exe is running. And if I want to kill this process, it's 5400. And the command to do that, we're going to use taskkill, and we're going to type PID. And what PID? It's 5400. And we're going to hit enter. And you can see it says success, sent termination signal to the process with the PID 5400. And let me clear my screen. And if I run task list again, you can see we do not have notepad.exe. So let's go to the next command. The next command we are going to run is net user. This shows me all of the users on this operating system. And right now there's only 2 users. One is Bob, who is the admin, and Claire, which is guest. We can also see the local group. So let me clear this out. And if we type net local group and admin, you can see who is in the admin group here. We have Bob and Claire. They are both in the admin group. After that, this is an important command too, systeminfo. Gives you a lot of information about the system. If you type systeminfo, as if you scroll up, you can see the operating name, the version of the operating, the manufacturer, the OS built. We can come down, boot time, you can see the BIOS version. So this gives you a lot of information, how much virtual memory, physical memory this operating system is holding. network interface card. Also, if you come up here, you see it says hot fix. These are all patches. You can copy this and look in a database to see if there's any vulnerabilities for any of these patches that they have. And my last command here is, let me clear my screen. Who am I? This allows you to see who you are on the system, and you can see I am Clear. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe to the channel.